Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you see my thumbnail, like task manager is updated now, Windows 10 machine task manager. So I will show you the updated Windows 10 Pro task manager and not updated Windows 10 Pro task manager, and we'll see the difference between both. So this is my Windows 10 machine, and it is updated now. You can see here. So this is updated to version 20s2. So basically this is version of Windows 10 Pro that is released by Microsoft, and after date or install this version, my computer or this PC computer properties menu will be changed. It will, you can see here. I am going to show you another machine which is not updated, means version 20s2 is not installed on this machine. This is also Windows 10, and you can see this machine computer properties showing like this: Windows 10 Pro and 2015 Microsoft Corporation already reserved, and here you can see the Windows 10 logo, computer name, and all these things like processor, RAM, system type. So you can see the difference between both, like not updated Windows 10 Pro to version 20s2, and another one which is updated to version 20s2. So this machine is Windows 10 Pro and it is updated to Windows 20s2, and now we'll see the difference in task manager. So I have opened this task manager here. You can also reopen this by right click on the taskbar, go to task manager option, and you can see here in process tab, if you will see here, status, CPU, memory, disk, network, and power usage and power usage trend. So this option, power usage and power usage trend, the both option is not available earlier. Like you can see here, this is another machine which is not updated to version 20s2. So here you can see in process tab only CPU, memory, disk, and network options are available. Here there is no any power usage or power usage trend option is available. So you can see till now the difference between updated Windows 10 Pro to version 20s2 and another one not updated version to 20s2 machine. So now we'll see here what we can do and what things we can manage and check from here. So if you'll go to performance option, you can see the CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi option. CPU means you can see here the usage 35%, and here you can see utilization also 37, 36. Speed is 3.176. It is it will be vary. And here you can see the CPU socket detail and core detail and logical processor details. So cores are 2, socket 1, logical processor 4, and virtualization enabled. So these are the basic information of CPU. Memory, you can see the usage and speed and other details like available memory, used memory, and these all things. Disk, here from here you can monitor about disk, means hard disk which is installed on your computer. And here you can see disk 0 is installed, and there are 3 drives like C, F and E. You can check it from here by going to this computer or this PC. You can see here disk C, drive C, E and F. The same drives are showing here also, C, F and E. Means from here you can check hard disk performance, your memory usage, CPU performance. Even you can check Ethernet speed and your network Ethernet port speed and other details like IP address and send receive details. Wi-Fi, you can see here Wi-Fi adapter name, SSID, SKY, connection type, this. So from here you can check these all information. And if we'll go about app history, so you can see the app history from this tab. And startup, these applications are in startup mode, few are disabled and few are enabled, so you can check it from here also which startup application are enabled or disabled. And one more thing, users, here you can see I have logged in with the SKY user. I am going to show you. You can see here SKY user. So I have logged in this PC locally. So if I'll select this, it will show here only for disconnect. But if this PC will be logged in or accessed by someone remotely, then it will show here log off option also. So you can, if you want, you can log off by selecting the user. So once you will select here you will show another option, that is log off. But right now it is not showing because I have logged in this PC locally. Or you can say also this is the Windows client machine. It is not a server OS. But yes, task manager method will be same for the server and client operating system. Just few more differences like log off and disconnect. If you'll go to details mode, you can see all the software details which are installed on this PC. Services, here you can see, or from here you can manage all the services which are running on this computer or your computer, you can say. From here you can see like this service is stopped, this service is stopped. So if you want, you can start from here. Means from task manager, these all things you can check and manage. Even you can check your CPU, your computer performance. So guys, I hope this is clear to you about the task manager uses and the updated task manager also after Windows update, Windows version update to 20s2, because after update to 20s2 two options are added like power usage and power usage trend. And from here you can see this application is using power in high mode, rest all are low or very low. So I hope this is clear too, and this video will be helpful for you guys. So request you to please subscribe my channel if you not subscribe yet, and click on bell icon for the new videos notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.